everybody, welcome back, and in this video we'll learn about the remaining data types that are available with the C programming language. So firstly we'll begin with the float data type. The float data type is used to store the real values, that is the numbers with the decimal points, and the decimal points with single precision. Okay, so it has 7 decimal digits of precision. And sometimes you may get precision errors in case of the larger numbers. And it requires less memory space compared with that of the double data type that we'll discuss in the next slide. So the size is 4 byte and its format specifier is %, and the keyword is float. So in this example, A is going to be the floating point variable. So now it is the double data type. The double data type is also going to store the real values, but with double precision. So it occupies twice the memory occupied by that of the float data type. That is, we discussed that 4 byte was the size of the float data type, and here see 8 byte is the size of the double data type. The format specifier is %LF, and it can have 15 decimal digits of precision. Okay, the keyword used is double. The example, var name is the variable which can store double values. Okay. So now we'll discuss about the signed and unsigned data types that are available. Signed data type can store both positive and negative values, but unsigned data type stores only the positive numbers, and it does not accept the negative values. And we have long and short data type available. The long data type is used to store the larger numbers. And when you are pretty sure you are going to use small integer range, then you can use the short data type. So now we'll learn the data types with example. Hash include stdio.h, void main. Okay, so float A, and I'm assigning it with 89.9. Okay, now I'm going to just printf. Format specifier is %F. A. Okay, I'm saving it for the name data type 2, the source file, save. Data type 2.c -o data type 2. Yes, data type 2. See, it has printed the value. Okay. Now we learn about the signed integer. Signed signed int. The name is I. Variable name is I. I'm assigning it with the value -8. And here I'm just giving an escape sequence /n for our understanding. I'm printing the value %F. The format specifier is HD. I. Okay. Now I'm saving it. We'll now try to execute it. See, the value -8 has got printed here. Now I'll tell you about the long int. So long is the keyword. Long int. Say the variable name is number. I'm assigning it as some longer integer. And we have to specify the L at the end. Okay. Here I'm using the escape sequence. Again, I'm trying to print the value of the long int with a format specifier percentage LD variable name number. Okay, saving the code. Now I'm going to just execute it, compiling, executing. See, the value is printed in the monitor screen. Hope you are clear with all the data types, and in the next video, we'll learn about the operators that are available with the C programming language. Thank you.